You know you my darling. Even though I be working, baby, I can't
jump right into the palettes. And I'm gonna be using 2 palettes today. I'm gonna be using the Irie palette. And I'm going to be using the Chat Potter palette. Okay, and we're gonna create a cute look. I don't know, we're just gonna play with some colors, but I mean, I have an idea what I'm gonna be using. But yeah, going in with the Chat Potter palette, I'm gonna be going in the shade Medea, which is this brown shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that to the corner of my eyelids. Going in with the Irie palette, I'm gonna be using the shade Lioness, which is this yellow shade right here. It's a bright yellow shade. I'm just gonna apply that in the middle and then blend it in with the brown, if that makes sense. Okay, Lioness and Medea blended in very nice on my lids. All right, so going in with the Chat Potter palette, I'm gonna be going in with the shade Talawa, which is this shimmer shade right here. Normally I would cut my crease when I'm applying these type of glitters, but the way they're so pigmented, I don't have to, which is really nice. Like, I like it. So I'm just gonna add Talawa right in the corner, going up just a little bit, not too far into the end. I'm gonna go back in with the Irie palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Kin to give to give me like a little small wing liner, since I don't have any liquid liner. So see, I have like a little wing going on, not too much. And yeah, so this is the eye look. This is so cute. Like, I don't even know what to call it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put on some lashes, and yeah. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on and I'm so in love with this look. So cute. Alright, so I'm getting into the face. I don't even want to put makeup on, like, okay, well, you know we got to put on makeup. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydrating Primer. This is a sample that I got from Sephora. I ordered something and I used my points to get this because I always wanted to try this primer. But I heard this primer is like, if you want like a dewy look, you should use this primer. And I think I'm gonna go for a dewy look today. I don't think I want a matte look with this eye look. I want to go dewy. I'm just gonna put one pump on this side and one pump on this side, and I'm just going to rub that all over my face. Wow, this primer feels like water. Like, oh my gosh. So it has like a sticky finish. It feels really good when you apply it on though. I'm not even gonna lie to you about that one. but we're gonna see how it holds my foundation. All right, so today's foundation I'm gonna be using today is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade Spice Brown. Oh, so before I apply on my foundation, oh my gosh, I almost forgot, I need to color correct. Okay guys, so this primer feels amazing on my skin. It's not like too thick. It's like I said in the beginning, it feels like water, and it does have like a little sticky finish, but it's not as sticky as it was before. So I'm gonna color correct real fast. I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector, and I'm just gonna correct this little dark spot that I got here and my little dark line. So yeah, and I have like a little dark spot here too, so this little contour. So now that I have like an orange beard going on, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade Spice Brown. Normally I would use coconut, but I'm getting a little light, so Spice Brown it is. I'm just gonna apply it on top of my foundation brush. I really hate foundations like that, like I have to pour it out. I like foundations where it comes with a pump. Okay, so right here I kind of look a little orange, but in my mirror this is dead as my complexion. I'm gonna go on my beauty sponge. Okay, so I fixed my lash, and my foundation is like, it looks so good. Like, oh my gosh, everything looks good right now. So going in with some concealer, going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and Toffee. I'm gonna mix these with the Born This Way concealer, and I'm gonna get that nice. Oh yeah, and I'm also gonna go in with this concealer too, which is in the shade Highlighter. Y'all gonna see how this comes out though. Smashbox foundation, I'm just going to add my contour. Going in with my face palette, I'm going to be going in with this light brown shade and this dark brown shade. I'm just going to set all the places that I put on the lightest concealer. And then for my contour, I'm going in with the Chat Pata palette, and I'm going in the shade Medea right here. This is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, this whole look looks amazing. If y'all can recommend me some good setting powder, let me know, because I have not came across an amazing setting powder. That's why I've been using these face powders, because setting powder just 1 minute works really good, next minute it just doesn't. But my face powders, it's amazing. So yeah, mind you, these palettes are very pigmented, so you can't pick up a lot. And now I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline setting spray. Okay, so I'm gonna go in I'm gonna go back in with the Chat Pata palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Gue. It's like a cute little golden glitter. I'm just gonna apply that to my nose. Oh my god, that is so cute. In your handmade fashion. Yes, this is so cute. It just goes with the look. Wow, that looks so good. And you don't even need a lot. I'm telling you, these eyeshadow palettes are so pigmented. So pigmented, y'all. So pigmented. Alright, y'all. So, and I'm looking for one that could go with this look. So it's between these three. Like, these three shades will go so good with this eye look. What y'all think, y'all? What y'all think? Wow, Tambrin looks so nice with this too. I look so grown. Like, I mean, I'm grown, but I look grown. You know what I mean? Like, so yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, like, I'll see y'all in my next video. This is so cute.